flux means flow, quantified flow. Flow of a quantity. Sir, which quantity? Water हो सकता है, light possible, sound possible, heat possible, electricity possible. So you mean to say any energy which can flow can be understood as flux because the root word flux is associated with to flow. Correct. But sir, flow through what? Correct. Good question. Through an area. Area. Acha. So basically they say now you are trying to make people run hoops around. Ha. I am precisely doing that. Wait for the diagram. So flux of x. This x is what, sir? We'll put later. So the flux of x means the quantity of that x crossing a given area normally. Keywords. Crossing normally. When something is crossing an area normally, that whatever has crossed is called the flux of the quantity. Enough suspense. Example dete. Let's take water. The water is flowing right now. This is a flux velocity V. Why water? Because I have some quantities which I taught you in hydraulics, in fluid mechanics, which will come very handy right now. There are three areas I've taken: A1, A2, A3, and all the areas are kept normal to the flow. Can you see that? Yes, sir. All the areas are kept normal to the flow. Yes, sir. Let the velocity of the fluid or the liquid be V out. Correct? V right now. है ना? Flux of liquid through each window, through each area is V into A1, V into A2, V into A3. Sir, this is not flux. This is discharge. A1, V1 equal to A2, V2. Equation of continuity. This is the volume flowing per second. Good. Good. It has taken a different form. वो अलग बात है. It has taken a different form in hydraulics, but the meaning remains the same because quantity of the water crossing is V into A1, V into A2, V into A3. If I ask you, who has the maximum flux going through it? Duh, sir, same velocity hai. The highest area will have the highest flux. Agreed? Agreed, sir. Good. Okay. What if I fix the area? Still there is a problem. Why? Look at the two diagrams. The one in which the area is facing the flow, the one in which the area is blocking the flow, lets the maximum amount of liquid through it. But the one which is angled gets only a part of it. In fact, if you want, the most stupid way of putting will be what? Along the flow. Kuch jayega hi nahi. That means angle matters. Angle between what? Angle between area and velocity. Arey, but area kya hota hai? Velocity is a vector quantity. Is area also a vector quantity? Vector flashback. Yes, area is a vector quantity. But the problem is it's a special vector. The direction of area vector is perpendicular to the area. Okay, sir. That you go. Can you see the angle between the area vector and the velocity vector as theta out here? Correct. So if you want to quantify that, here we go. It's AV cos theta. Sir, why do I think you are heading towards a dot product? Because AB cos theta is involved. You are saying theta is the angle between area vector and velocity. And I'm pretty sure, sir, what you are about to do is introduce a dot vector. You are absolutely right. But I will do that for electric flux. Are you ready? Sir, what is flowing in electricity? You are right. Physically speaking, you can't see anything flowing. But diagrammatically, on paper, can you represent electric field using field lines? So from now on, we will use field lines. So sir, in hydraulic flux, what are the lines? Stream lines. Hey, In acoustic lines, luminous lines, thermal lines. So electric flux is the quantity of what? Net electric lines of forces. Okay. Crossing an area. But sir, in what direction? Normally. Khatam. Bas khatam. Net number of lines of forces crossing an area normally is the flux. Which flux? Electric flux through that area. Have patience. The story will come together. Don't worry. ठीक है? ठीक है, आप कह रहे हैं तो ठीक है, अभी तक तो ठीक है सर. Right now, for the sake of simplicity, without the loss of generality, let the field be normal. अगर field normal है and the area is your S, the area vector is S vector, normal to the area. Electric field is E vector, which is uniform right now, and the angle between them is theta. In that case, the formula for flux through the surface is E dot S. Let it sink in.